goes out there. Ah, yeah. Are you watching Ben?
Here you go, wait, listen.
Yeah, yeah. Go tell him to go poo. Tell him to go poo. You've done a poo. Say, I've done a poo. You go poo. Yeah, tell him.
Is that your dog? Can you say dog? A dog? 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 Dog?
Let's tell Ben to go poo. Ben, go poo. Go poo. Go on, go poo. He might not want to go poo. What's he doing, Harrison?
Can you finish that? Because I'm going to say something.
Should we let him in? Should we let him in? Should we let Ben in? Yeah?